Good morning, class 5th. Today I am going to teach you your fourth chapter pollination. Before starting the chapter pollination, there are few things which you have to be aware of, and those things are: flowers are the reproductive parts of plants. It has 5 main parts: pedicel, sepals, petals, stamens, and carpels, which are arranged in 4 whorls. Okay, this is the part of a flower. This one is pedicel, this one is receptacle, this one is petal, which we are aware of. These are anthers, and the downward portion like this tube is called filament. Anther, filament. Anther and filament together makes stamens, and this tube-like structure is a stigma. And the downward portion of the stigma, this tube-like structure, is called style. Stigma, style. These two dots, egg-like structures, are ovules, and these ovules are locked in a sac-like structure called ovary. पूरे प्लांट को जो कवर करता है नीचे का पोर्शन, दैट इज कॉल्ड सेपल. स्टिग्मा, स्टाइल, ओव्यूल, ओवरी, ये 4 पार्ट्स मिलके दे आर गोइंग टू मेक कार्पेल. We have begin with the downward portion. Now I'm starting with the upward portion. Stigma, this funnel-like structure, stigma. इसके नीचे का portion style. These 2 egg-shaped, these are ovules, and this egg is enclosed in ovary. Then this is sepal, style, stigma, style, ovary, and ovule, they make carpel. Okay, then this is anther. This one is filament. Anther, upper portion, and filament, downward portion. Anther and filament, they make stamen. Then this is petal. Petal, these are petals. This one a receptacle, and the part from which we are, this stalk-like part is called pedicel, from which we are going to hold the flower. This downward portion is pedicel. Okay. Now the outer portion we are going to study. We are going to start with pedicel. Pedicel is this part. This part, the holding part is pedicel. और उसके ऊपर जो green leaves होगी वो sepals होंगे. तो stalk like structure is pedicel. The pedicel is the stalk of a flower from which we are going to hold the flower from the downward portion. The upper part of pedicel is attached to receptacle. See, this upper part of pedicel is going to be attached to the receptacles, which is the base of whole flower. Then what is sepals? Sepals, this is pedicel, this is sepals. Sepals are the green part, and the colored part is going to be petals. ठीक है? Sepals form the outermost wall of a flower. They are usually green and leaf-like in the structure. Sepals are collectively known as calyx. When there are going to be number of sepals, they are going to be called as calyx. This is receptacle. Receptacle. This base is called receptacle. This is sepal. Green part is called sepal. ठीक? Sepals are collectively called calyx. The main function of calyx is to protect the part of flower during the early stage of development. These sepals, these green portion is going to protect it. Then what is petals? Petals form second wall of a flower. These are the outermost wall. Sepals जो होंगे सबसे outermost wall होंगे. Petals जो होंगे, पंखुड़ियाँ जिसको हम कहते हैं, that is the second wall of a flower. Petals are larger than sepals. Sepals are short and petals are larger. देखिए ये petals हैं. Petals हैं ये सब. So they are larger. Petals are collectively known as corolla. Sepals are collectively known as calyx. Petals are collectively known as corolla. The corolla is attractive part of flower. They attract insects for pollination. These are so colorful. This is yellow, this is white, this is pink, this is red, somewhat red. So the main part of this corolla is to attract the insects and the bees to come and take the nectar from them. ठीक? And they are used in pollination too. Then stamens. This is the stamen. ठीक? एंथर ऊपर वाला होता है और नीचे की जो ऐसी स्टिक टाइप का है वो फिलामेंट. पॉलन सैक्स इसी के अंदर भरे होते हैं पाउडरी सब्सटेंस में. पेटल्स फॉर्म द सेकेंड वॉल, स्टेमन्स फॉर्म द थर्ड वॉल ऑफ फ्लावर. पेटल्स इज द second wall and the stamens are the third wall. They are the male reproductive part of the flowers and they are called androecium. M for male and A for androecium. So wherever you are going to find male thing, that male part of flower, you just have to understand that male part is going to be the androecium of the flower. ठीक है. So the stamens, in stamens you are going to find the male reproductive part of flower which is collectively known as androecium. Stamens have two parts, namely anthers and filaments. Stamens के पास दो होंगे, anthers and filaments. And the anther contains pollen with the fine powdery substance. इस anther को जब हम बीज से कट करेंगे, इसके अंदर ये देखिए आपको you will find the sacs, you are going to find the columns in which the powdery substance, mostly white, yellow or orange, is filled. The pollens are present inside the pollen sac in the anther. The filament is a thread-like structure. That's suppose this is a filament. This is a thread-like structure. They have called this thread-like structure. Then carpels. We have studied the stamens. Stamens are the male part and the male parts are called androecium. ठीक है. Now the carpels. Carpels are from the innermost wall of the flower. The innermost first of the flower is a ovule. I've told you these are egg-like structure, and then ovary is the part which encloses the ovule. Stigma style. ठीक. So this is the female part of the reproductive part of the flowers. F for female and G for girl. So don't get confused with female and gynoecium. If you are going to find anywhere female, then make a habit of remembering that female part of the flower is just going to be called gynoecium. F for female and G for gynoecium. Carpel consists three parts: stigma, style and ovary. See, stigma, style and ovary. Ovule is the inner part. The style is the long tube-like structure that has stigma at its style is the tube-like structure, stigma at its tip. The ovary contains ovules. Ovary contains ovules and contains the female reproductive cells. They contain the female reproductive cells. So class, in this video we have studied the parts of flower with the structure, pedicels, sepals, petals, stamens and carpels. ठीक है. Female is called gynoecium, male is called androecium. In the second lecture we are going to study about types of flowers, monosexual and bisexual, and then further we will study self-pollination and cross-pollination, agents of pollination. With this I am ending this video, and I'll give you some work to do. Thank you and stay at home, stay safe, take care, bye bye.